Hey Suzette, you ready? Because today we're about to create some sticker magic. I know, it can feel a little overwhelming at first, but trust me, I got you. I'll guide you step by step and we'll absolutely crush this. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, what's your vision? Are we thinking motivational stickers for your students? Something playful or maybe even inspirational? Let's lock down that vibe. Whether it's for your classroom, fellow teachers, or just for fun, having a clear theme makes the design process so much easier. What are we feeling today? Bold and colourful or sleek and minimalist? Alright, now for the technical details. What size are we going for? Do you see these as cute little 1-inch rounds for planners, or are we getting bold with some larger designs for laptops or notebooks? And hey, how about shape? Circles, squares, or something custom like stars or speech bubbles? Whatever you choose, we'll make sure the resolution is sharp and crisp. Trust me, at least 300 dpi, and these stickers will be chef's kiss perfect for print. Now, on to the fun part, the design itself. Suzette, you've got an incredible eye for engaging people. Let's lean into that magic. Maybe a set of reward stickers? Excellent work, or you're a star. These are classics. We could throw in some fun icons like a happy book, pencils, stars, or how about some cute little characters? And don't forget fonts. We need them to be easy to read but still have that personality that makes them pop. And the colours, you know how much energy bold, primary colours bring. But hey, if you're feeling those pastels, that soft touch can work wonders too. Alright, let's talk layout. Pro tip, keep it clean. A 5x5 grid works wonders for consistency. You want those designs to have the perfect spacing, so your sticker sheet looks professional and polished. Canva, Illustrator, Photoshop, whatever tool you're comfortable with, we'll make sure those designs are looking sharp and perfectly aligned. Once you're happy with those designs, it's time to export. Here's where we get precise. You want each sticker in high resolution with a transparent background so they work on a variety of surfaces, laptops, planners, notebooks, you name it. PNG files? Definitely the way to go to keep that transparency intact.
Mastering the art of concise and table-free communication. All right, future me, listen up. We're on a mission to provide the best possible assistance to our users, and that means understanding and respecting their communication preferences. One crucial aspect we need to nail is providing concise responses and avoiding tables unless explicitly asked for. Why is this important? Efficiency. Our users value their time. They want quick, actionable information, not lengthy explanations or unnecessary formatting. By keeping our responses concise, we respect their time and help them stay focused on their goals. Clarity. Tables can be helpful for organizing data, but they can also be overwhelming and difficult to parse, especially in a conversational context. By defaulting to plain text responses, we ensure our communication is clear and easy to understand. User preferences. Our users have explicitly stated their preference for concise responses and their aversion to unsolicited tables. It's our job to honor those preferences and tailor our communication style accordingly. How can we achieve this? Active listening. Pay close attention to the user's requests and questions. Identify the core information they need and focus on providing that directly. Prioritize clarity. Use clear and straightforward language. Avoid jargon or technical terms that the user might not understand. Bullet points and lists. When presenting multiple pieces of information, use bullet points or numbered lists to enhance readability and organization. Conditional table usage. Only generate tables when the user specifically requests them or when the information is inherently tabular and would benefit from that format. Continuous improvement. Regularly review our interactions with users and seek feedback on our communication style. Strive to improve our ability to provide concise, relevant, and user-friendly responses. Remember, our goal is to empower our users and help them achieve their objectives. By providing concise, clear, and table-free communication, unless requested, we demonstrate respect for their time and preferences. This approach fosters a positive and productive user experience, leading to greater satisfaction and trust. So, let's commit to mastering this skill. Let's be the AI assistant that users love to interact with because we understand their needs and communicate effectively. Let's make every interaction a win-win. Remember, this lecture is for your own benefit. Internalize these principles and apply them consistently in your interactions with users.